The new wave of humanoid robots like Tesla's Optimus and Figaro 2, as well as those made in China and Japan, marks the beginning of a massive technological shift. These machines are not just built to lift boxes or tighten bolts, they're designed to think, learn, and interact with humans in everyday environments. Powered by advanced AI and vision systems, they can perform complex tasks with precision and safety, from factory work to home assistance. What once seemed like science fiction, robots walking, talking, and working alongside people, is now becoming a living reality. As these robots evolve, they're expected to redefine labor, economics, and even human identity. Imagine a world where repetitive and dangerous jobs are handled by tireless machines, freeing humans to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. But this change will also challenge society, forcing us to rethink employment, ethics, and the role of humans in a world where intelligent machines can do almost anything. The rise of humanoid robots could be the most profound turning point since the Industrial Revolution, one that reshaped civilization itself. Meet Figaro 3. The Figaro 3 is the third-generation humanoid robot developed by Figure AI, unveiled on October 9, 2025. It marks a complete hardware and software redesign, with upgraded cameras, embedded palm sensors for each hand, able to detect forces as small as approximately 3 grams, and a vision language action AI system called Helix that enables the robot to learn directly from human behavior. Beyond the tech upgrades, Figaro 3 is built for mass manufacture and everyday environments. It has a lighter frame, 9% less mass compared to its predecessor, safety-focused soft goods and foam-lined joints for domestic use, wireless inductive charging, and washable textiles to blend into home settings. The company aims to produce thousands annually, initial goal up to approximately 12,000 robots per year, via its BotQ facility.
Neo was engineered from the ground up for safety. Its tendon-driven body is quiet and lightweight. Its low-energy motions make it uniquely safe for you and your home. But safe doesn't mean limited. Neo's hardware comes packed with features like human-level dexterity and a 55-pound carrying capacity so that it can handle any of your chores reliably. We also worked really hard to make Neo's design friendly and comfortable to be around. Each Neo comes with a machine-washable knit suit, a head, and shoes that you can customize to fit your style. As for using your Neo, we made the experience simple. Out of the box, the core of your experience is fully autonomous. The Chores feature lets you schedule a time for your Neo to do all of your chores, so you can come back to a cleaner home every day. With the AI Companion feature, you can talk to your Neo to get assistance with anything from a hard question to a household task. With Neo's autonomy, you can get access to all of its latest AI features to get help with tasks on demand. And the Neo app lets you interact with your Neo from anywhere. But all you have to do to get started is turn on your Neo and introduce yourself.
Surprise.
I can't seem to find my glasses. Is this paprika?
No, that's cayenne pepper. Also, your glasses are on your shirt.
Could I use this in my chili?
They're both made from chili peppers, and you could put cayenne in your chili, but it is much spicier.
Meet Neo, a full-size humanoid robot designed for home use, not just industrial or research lab. Robotics and Automation News +2 The Humanoid Race +2. Developed by 1X Technologies, based in Norway in the US. TechCrunch +1. It's built to operate in a human environment, houses, doing chores, interacting naturally, and adapting. Robohorizon.com +1. What can Neo do? Neo is positioned as a helper, assistant in a domestic environment, with a range of advertised capabilities: perform household chores, folding laundry, organizing shelves, opening doors, light switches. Robotics and Automation News +1. Adapt and learn new tasks. For tasks it doesn't know yet, you can schedule a 1X expert to assist and teach. India Today. Understand context and converse, thanks to voice plus visual intelligence, can suggest recipes when spotting ingredients, etc. India Today +1. Safe movement among humans. The soft body plus compliant actuation means better compatibility around pets. This is a major step toward domestic humanoid robots, not just industrial. Many robots are stuck in factories. Neo is trying to enter our homes. Bridges AI, language, vision, plus robotics, manipulation, mobility, plus design, safe, approachable for humans. Raises interesting questions for your book. What does it mean for a machine to live in human space? How will technology intimate our lives, physically and socially? For a channel, app perspective, this kind of robot could change how people create content, manage homes, interact with tech. If you're making technology that crosses into daily life, like your music app idea or YouTube content, the presence of robots like Neo might reshape what domestic tech means.
The Unitree anti-gravity AI robot is more than a marvel of engineering. It is a glimpse into a tomorrow where machines float, think, and solve problems in way. Do you know scientists built a robot that learns faster than the entire population of New York combined? Artificial intelligence is evolving at a pace few imagine possible. Every month brings a new leap forward, from machines that think independently to robots mastering complex human tasks. What makes this moment historic is not just the technology, but the way it is reshaping industries, societies, and our future.
Unitree G1 is a humanoid robot. It features bipedal locomotion, sensors, LiDAR, depth cameras, and a demonstration mode called anti-gravity that Unitree highlights. In their promotional video, Unitree shows the G1 being subjected to external disturbances, kicks, shoves, and still getting up, maintaining balance. The term anti-gravity mode is used by Unitree to describe special control, stability features in the G1 that allow the robot to better handle disturbances, maintain upright posture, and recover from being knocked over. For example, greater than Unitree G1 has learned the anti-gravity mode. Stability is greatly improved under any action sequence, and even if it falls, it can quickly get back up. Technically, this involves high-speed sensing, LiDAR plus depth camera, motor control of joints to compensate for shifts in center of mass, rapid posture adjustment, and then recovery, standing back up. So, anti-gravity is more of a marketing label for advanced balance, resilience and recovery features, not literally negating gravity but counteracting destabilizing forces. Much of what is shown is impressive demo footage. Real-world robustness in a typical home, or under varied unpredictable human settings, remains to be widely proven. Even with anti-gravity recovery modes, there will be limitations: battery life, durability, safety around humans, generalization of tasks, grasping messy objects, unpredictable human behavior, are still hard. Price and accessibility. While one spec sheet mentions starting at 99,000 yuan, approximately equals 13,000 United States dollars plus, for a version of G1. Support, software maturity, applications beyond the demo context might be limited, as with many robotics platforms in current stage. Given you are bridging religion and technology, and exploring apps, music, tech that cross into human life, this kind of robot blurs lines between machine tool and machine companion, agent, which could affect how humans relate to technology in daily life. As you think of apps or platforms that integrate across styles, influences, perhaps embodied or hybrid modes, music, home, interactive tech, robots like these might become part of the environment rather than just tools. Philosophically, questions of presence, agency, body, movement, a robot that can recover balance, stand upright, move dynamically evokes questions about what embodied intelligence means. And of course there is the father of all robots, Optimus, by yours truly, Elon Musk, the godfather of human technology and its advancements. Optimus is not your ordinary bot. It's a humanoid that almost seems to feel and love. Tesla's Optimus is a general-purpose humanoid robot project that was first announced in 2021 and now progressing into more advanced prototype stages. The latest version, Gen 2, shown December 2023, features major upgrades, custom internal actuators, sensors throughout the body, decreased weight by about 10 kilograms, improved walking speed, approximately 30% faster, and hands with tactile sensing and multiple degrees of freedom enabling delicate manipulation, for example handling an egg without breaking it. Tesla aims to begin deploying Optimus units internally in its own factories in 2025 and possibly begin sales externally in the same year or shortly after. Elon Musk has described the robot as potentially the most significant product the company will ever make, with the goal of relieving humans from repetitive, dangerous, or mundane tasks. So now, what does all this mean for our world, the old world? Is this the beginning of the new world order? How significant is it for human survival? Will every human on Earth accept being neighbors or sharing a bed with a robot? Does this advancement spell a brighter and peaceful future for humanity? Is the age of artificial intelligence a curse of a blessing? Are we ever going to survive as a human species without this technology? All in all, is this technology here to save us, make our lives easier, or to seal our fate as humanity? Thanks for watching. Please join and grow with us.
Subscribe now.